Welcome to LITBLINDS store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Newest design for both regular and 3D wallpaper. Introducing the latest innovation in home decor, 3D wallpaper. Imagine transforming your living space into a breathtaking visual masterpiece with just a simple application. 3D wallpaper brings depth, texture, and an unparalleled sense of realism to any room. Whether you want to create a serene natural environment with cascading waterfalls and lush forests, or you prefer a more modern and abstract design with geometric shapes and metallic accents, the possibilities are endless. With advancements in printing technology, 3D wallpaper can mimic the look and feel of various materials such as stone, wood, or fabric, adding an extra dimension of authenticity to your walls. Not only does 3D wallpaper enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but it also provides practical benefits such as sound insulation and durability. Say goodbye to bland, flat walls and hello to a dynamic and visually stimulating environment that will leave your guests in awe. Experience the magic of 3D wallpaper and transform your living space into a work of art. Step into a world where walls come alive with vibrant energy and captivating illusions. 3D wallpaper transcends the boundaries of traditional interior design, offering an immersive experience that ignites the imagination. Picture yourself surrounded by the majestic wonders of the universe, with galaxies swirling around you and stars twinkling in the distance. Or perhaps you prefer the cozy ambience of a rustic cabin, complete with weathered wood and flickering firelight dancing across the walls. With 3D wallpaper, you have the power to transport yourself to any place or time, all within the comfort of your own home. Each intricate design is meticulously crafted to create an optical illusion that tricks the eye and mesmerizes the mind. Whether you seek tranquility, adventure, or sophistication, there's a 3D wallpaper to suit every taste and style. Elevate your living space to new heights of elegance and innovation with the transformative beauty of 3D wallpaper. Prepare to embark on a journey into the realm of unparalleled visual enchantment with 3D wallpaper. Step into a world where walls transcend their two-dimensional confines, beckoning you to explore a landscape of infinite depth and imagination. Imagine being surrounded by breathtaking vistas that stretch out before you in vivid detail, from majestic mountainscapes to enchanted forests alive with vibrant flora and fauna. Indulge your senses in a symphony of textures and colors as you explore the endless possibilities of 3D wallpaper. Imagine running your fingers along the rugged surface of a stone wall, only to realize it's a masterfully printed illusion. Feel the warmth radiating from golden sunsets that seem to glow from within your very walls, or the cool touch of cascading waterfalls that appear to flow right before your eyes. With 3D wallpaper, you can turn any room into a sanctuary of style and sophistication, where every glance reveals a new facet of its captivating beauty. From bold and dramatic designs that command attention to subtle and understated patterns that add a touch of elegance, 3D wallpaper allows you to express your unique personality and taste. Whether you're revamping your living room, bedroom, or office space, 3D wallpaper is the ultimate statement piece that will leave a lasting impression on all who enter. Immerse yourself in a world of endless creativity and innovation with the transformative power of 3D wallpaper. Let's take a step back from the three-dimensional realm and delve into the timeless elegance of regular wallpaper. Picture a space transformed by the subtle charm of delicate floral patterns, reminiscent of a tranquil garden in full bloom. Or envision the sophistication of classic stripes, lending a sense of refinement to any room they adorn. Regular wallpaper offers a versatile canvas for expressing your personal style, whether you gravitate towards bold and vibrant prints or prefer the understated allure of monochrome designs. With an array of textures and finishes to choose from, including matte, glossy, and metallic, you can customize your walls to suit your aesthetic preferences perfectly. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, regular wallpaper also provides practical benefits such as concealing imperfections and adding insulation to your space. Elevate your home decor with the timeless beauty and versatility of regular wallpaper, and transform your living space into a reflection of your individuality and taste. Immerse yourself in a world of endless possibilities with regular wallpaper, where every roll holds the potential to redefine your living space. Picture the serene tranquility of a coastal retreat, captured in soft hues of blue and white that evoke the calming rhythm of ocean waves. Or envision the opulent luxury of a vintage-inspired damask print, exuding timeless elegance and sophistication. With regular wallpaper, you have the freedom to create a bespoke atmosphere that reflects your unique personality and taste. Indulge your senses in the tactile richness of textured wallpapers, where raised patterns add depth and dimension to your walls, inviting touch and admiration. From embossed geometrics to intricately woven grass cloth, each design tells a story of craftsmanship and artistry, transforming your home into a gallery of style. But regular wallpaper isn't just about aesthetics, it's also a practical choice for enhancing the comfort and functionality of your space. Enjoy the added warmth and sound insulation that wallpaper provides, as well as its ability to protect your walls from wear and tear. Whether you're seeking to refresh a tired room or make a bold statement in a new space, regular wallpaper offers a versatile solution that stands the test of time. Elevate your interior design with the endless creativity and versatility of regular wallpaper, and turn your house into a home that's truly your own. Regular wallpaper is not merely a decorative element but a transformative tool that breathes life into any interior space. Imagine the cozy embrace of a rustic cabin, where woodsy motifs and earthy tones wrap your walls in warmth, inviting you to relax and unwind. Or picture the whimsical charm of a children's room adorned with playful patterns and vibrant colors, sparking imagination and creativity in young minds. With regular wallpaper, you can effortlessly create ambience and atmosphere, turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary retreats. Explore a world of design possibilities, from contemporary geometrics that infuse modern flair into minimalist spaces to timeless florals that evoke the romance of bygone eras. With a diverse array of patterns, textures, and finishes to choose from, regular wallpaper allows you to tailor your decor to suit your personal style and preferences perfectly. But the beauty of regular wallpaper extends beyond its visual appeal. It also offers practical benefits such as easy installation and maintenance, making it a convenient choice for homeowners and designers alike. Whether you're embarking on a full-scale renovation or simply looking to refresh a tired room, regular wallpaper provides a versatile solution that promises to leave a lasting impression. Transform your home into a sanctuary of style and comfort with the transformative power of regular wallpaper. Let your imagination soar as you explore the endless possibilities of pattern, color, and texture, and create a living space that reflects the essence of who you are. But regular wallpaper isn't just about looks, it also provides practical benefits for your home. From hiding imperfections in your walls to adding an extra layer of insulation, wallpaper can help enhance the comfort and functionality of your space. And with easy installation and maintenance, it's a convenient choice for homeowners looking to refresh their interiors without the hassle of a major renovation. Whether you're revamping a single room or transforming your entire home,
Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.